Hello everyone, I'm Niva Shrestha. Me and my group members Niratchanun and Logesh are presenting scenario 1, which is livestock pollution and protein consumption. It's about where livestock farming is one of the industry which have negative impact on land, water degradation, and so on. So starting with research problem, our research problem is consumers are not ready to consume livestock-free protein. For a qualitative research question, we have 3 questions. One, what elements influence consumer intake of livestock-free protein, like elements such as sustainability, food curiosity, unnaturalness, and distrust of biotechnology might be the reason affecting consumer purchasing or consuming choice. Second one is why consumer choose to consume livestock-free protein. Several factors contribute to this question, such as increased consumer interest in health, price, and ethical consideration, such as where meat is sourced from and animal welfare. Third one is what effects does consuming livestock-free protein products have on environment? Consumers are moving towards sustainability and are more health conscious. They are likely to switch towards alternative protein. Also, the alternative protein industry has the potential to reduce the greenhouse gas emission from the agriculture industry by providing an alternative to meat. Livestock-free protein are also found to be tasty, nutritious, and healthy food and lower carbon emission. For our qualitative research objectives, we have to understand the consumers are interested in consuming plant-based protein, to determine the factors of consumer consumption of livestock-free protein, and to know whether consuming livestock-free protein products has an impact on environment. Our qualitative research method is exploratory, which includes focus group discussion and open-end questions. Moving towards sampling. For sampling, we are focusing on millennials from the age 25 to 50 who are studying and working in Sydney and also are interested in health and impact on environment. Our sample size would be 20 respondents, and the sampling method we're going forward with is snowball sampling and offering $20 gift cards to the respondents. For data gathering, we focus on 2 focus groups, which is vegetarian and non-vegetarian, 10 sample elements per group, and we will leverage online social media sites like Google and LinkedIn to expand our access to more respondents. And also for the interview will be taken place in Macquarie University. For the further presentation, I would like to call Niratchanun.
Moving forward to quantitative research questions, I will have 3 equations. To what extent do the protein replacement product effects on the customer consumption, and to what extent do the ban attitudes effects on the livestock-free protein consumption, and to what extent do the environment issue can be influenced to the replacement of the protein consumption. And for the objective part, we're looking forward to determine in what type of value that customer looking for the livestock-free protein consumption, to understand what actually causes the customer to change their consuming behavior, to whether and to know whether what environment issue can be the most factors that can influence to the customer behavior of the protein replacement. Then we should survey methods for the quantitative research and using the question and question and using the structure as a method. And for the sampling that we are choosing is that the quantitative millionaire is between 25 to 50 working and study in Sydney. Also, the sample size would be if with 100 respondents, and the method we're choosing is convenience sampling, which it can offer a way to receive the specific feedback from individual perspective. And we can approach people about the specific topic connected need to collecting the data. And the survey can also get to help to provide the detail about in demographics profile as well. And where would be cataloging the data should be the shopping center, supermarket, and social media. For example, Facebook group. We will provide a gift for the participants as well.
Hi everyone, this is Logesh here to take you through our timeline of our project. We use our first initial week to hire research assistants to get to know through the root cause of our project, and then we conduct a preliminary analysis, and then we get to design our quantitative and qualitative researches fundamentally in a method kind of a thing during our first week, and then we jump into week two to discuss to conduct a focus group interviews, which are going to be 20 respondents in two different batches, and after which we're going to compile our results during week 3 and week 4, again hiring back those research assistants during week 3 and week 4 part-timely, and occasion and getting to know how what type of an approach our qualitative research is going to break through. And then we use week 5 till week 10 to conduct 5 people in a group to conduct focus group interviews over a period of 5 weeks, and then we use our last week, and then we use a final week to conduct a data analysis and compilation of results with the same research assistants to get to know and to come up with the final conclusion. And by the end of week 12, we're going to make sure that our final report is being handed over to the client. To give you a breakthrough through the budget, we are initially hiring research assistants at $37.5 an hour for 20 hours for our research for our initial research preliminary analysis, and then we conduct focus group interviews which are more of qualitative in nature, and as promised in our previous slide, we're going to hand over each respondent a $20 gift voucher. In order to compile these results and get to know through a qualitative part, we conduct another compilation part, hiring through the same research assistants at 37.5 hours for 5 an hour for $10, amounting us to $375. And then we conduct through a qualitative research, which is going to cost us 23.5 for conducting a focus group for hiring a focus group moderator at 10 hours a week into 5 weeks, which is going to cost around like $1,200, and our final analysis, which is going to be hiring of bit more much better professionals in terms of research analysis and final data gathering, and we pay them around $37 an hour, around 750, which is going to cost us around $3,450 altogether, allowing us to submit our final reports by the end of week 12. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Here are the reference that we using for correcting the detail and finding to go through our reports. Thank you for listening.